You're interesting, no worries. I look like crap, but having a great day.
So we're right at a transition point between the lush forests and Cascade Range that, you know, is inclusive of Cascade Locks and Hood River. And as you move east toward the Dalles, you start going through a transition zone.
Yeah, the dark meat's my favorite, and it's the reason why I think dark meat's the best is because it gives so much more.
It comes and it's a trip hammer. It just goes up and down, and whatever you put in is going to get hit. So you never strike the anvil. It's a hard place where to back up things.
Doors open as you leave the train.